Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily tutorial video, and today I am going to be showing you how to download and install CapCut in 2026. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go over to your browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser, and you just want to go over to the search bar right at the top and type in CapCut, just like that, or just click the link in the description down below. Now you want to scroll down and skip the sponsored results down to CapCut all-in-one video editor and graphics design tool. Right here, you can just see the download button right here. This is for Windows, so just click on download for free. And now you just wait for the installation. There we go. Here's the exe. And if we click on it, we'll see we get this little pop-up and it's going to download CapCut. Now, CapCut is a relatively lightweight app, so it will be very easy and very quick to install. For the download to be completed, so as you can see, then you'll have this environment testing screen, and in most cases it should just say your computer can run CapCut smoothly, so you can just click on confirm. And now you want to wait for it to open. In the meantime, you can close your browser, and here we have CapCut. Here, as you can see, I already have a bunch of files. That is because I have already used CapCut before, but you will not have this. And to actually use CapCut, you just click on Create Project, and this is what it's going to look like. Now here, you just want to add your files, and then you can do all of the stuff that you're used to doing in your video editor. So yeah, that is how to download and install CapCut in 2026 for Windows 11. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Peace.